like you did sometimes, seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love, seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow, grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you my inner street. I would like to go with you to the street. Please don't deny, your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to change it. I wanna be loved by you. Loved by you.
We did a little rearrangement. I found my old shelf from my previous shop before. We moved the stamps here. We added some plants.
Loved by you.
I really wanted to put a real plant, but I am a plant killer, so I know I hate plastics, but I really want to put greens here in my studio. So for now, this babies will do, while the other one, hi,
seeing eyes of mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes, seeing eyes of mine.
Guards there.
Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be
these are the fake plants that I decorated, and kind of like how it turned out. It's giving the working area a bit cozy feel or a warmth feel, fake warm. It would have been better if it's a real one, but I will kill it eventually, and I don't think I'm ready to become a plant parent, as they call it. So for now, I'm just gonna be okay with these fake ones. I don't even know how to really decorate them properly, so just doing it this way, keep hanging like this one. I think there's a better way of using this, but I'm not sure how. Yeah. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you still like the mini vlogs that I make. Lately, I don't have anything much happening in this video, except that I should be preparing for the wedding, but I'm still procrastinating or delaying it, except for the trials of the paper flowers I'm making. And then hopefully next week I will be able to draft the invites. But anyway, I hope to see you again next week, and don't forget to like and do subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Thank you and bye.